Welcome back to our channel. Are you planning your next trip and thinking about getting an eSIM? That's a fantastic choice. With the flexibility and convenience it offers, an eSIM can truly enhance your travel experience. But when should you install it? Let's find out. First, it's essential to know that your eSIM's validity period starts when it activates. This can happen in two ways. Some eSIMs activate when they connect to a network at your destination, while others activate immediately after installation. It's crucial to avoid any surprises, so be sure to check your eSIM's activation policy before installation. This information is readily available in the additional info section of your eSIM details, ensuring you're well informed and prepared for your trip. If your eSIM activates at your destination, you can install it anytime before you travel. This gives you the flexibility to set it up at your convenience. On the other hand, if your eSIM activates upon installation, it's best to install it right before you depart. This way, you maximize its validity period and ensure you're all set for your trip. Ready to explore the world with an eSIM? For your next adventure, check out Zetexa Global, which offers eSIMs covering 180+ countries with affordable data plans and excellent customer support. Our eSIMs are compatible with a wide range of devices and can be easily installed by scanning a QR code. Go SIMless with ZetSIM. Switch today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zetexa Global.